Hello everyone, my name is Sonny Jafferi. Today's video we're gonna learn to do some exercises. These exercises are mostly designed for beginners and some old people like me. Mostly they're gonna concentrate on losing weight and especially for belly fat. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Previous video number 1, I made about intermittent fasting. This will teach you like what to eat and what not to, and how to perform the intermittent fasting. Besides this, you have to do some exercises, 15 minutes minimum to 1 hour every day, and also walk 15 minutes to 1 hour every day. But before you start every exercise, you have to do some warm-ups. Warm-ups, you can do it whichever way you want, but the best is just do them slowly. For now, we're gonna start with the first exercise. High knee jump in place. It's performed like this. Jump in place. Keep your knees as high as possible. With this, your heart rate will rise. You're gonna start losing some pounds. And you're gonna start losing some calories. Start each exercise with 15 seconds, then increase it gradually to 1 minute. Do each exercise 3 to 5 reps. And the most of all, don't forget to drink lots of water. Water is really important. Also, rest 15 seconds between exercises. That's also really important. Second exercise, Russian twist. It's performed like this. Sit on the floor, keep your legs as high as possible, as high as you can without falling your back, and keep twisting your hands back and forth. It looks easy, but it's not. All the stress is on your belly. Exercise number 3 is leg rise. Leg rise is like this. Lean on your back with your hands holding your body in the back, and rise your legs up and down as high as you can. That's all I can do because I'm old. But if you're young, rise them up to your ears. And it's also stress in your belly will give you all that exercise. Exercise number 4, it's hip rise. This exercise will release some of your stress in your hip and just makes you feel better. Keep your legs as closest to the body. And also this exercise are just for beginners and old people like me. Anyone can do them at home at your own time without membership club or any equipment. Next exercise is crunches. Everyone does crunches. They're really easy. Lay down your back, put your hands behind your head, and just start crunching. Crunch yourself. Yes, crunches. They'll give you some stress to your belly. Also, lift your head as much as possible in your body. Exercise number 6 is chair ups. Make sure you have a chair. Everyone have a chair. I said before no equipment, but everyone have a chair at home. Put the chair and really stir place flat, so make sure you don't fall. And it just go up and down on the chair. That's all. Do as many reps as you can. Next exercise is called mountain climb. If you have your mountain close by, don't sit in this room and do this exercise. Just stop climbing. I guarantee you, you're gonna lose a lot more weight than this. Mountain climb is done like this. Sit down like that, and with your hands, and push your body a little bit ahead, and your legs one by one as closest to your hands. Do this exercise 3 to 5 reps, 15 seconds again, then increase it up to 1 minute for each time, each exercise. Then next exercise is flutter kicks. This is really powerful exercise. Lay down on your back, keep your legs straight, and just rise them one at a time, up and down. Flutter kicks. Next exercise is called the plank. Lay down, stand on your hands and feet. Keep your body straight and tight. Stand at least 30 seconds like that. It's really powerful. The next exercise, number 10, is push-ups. Push-ups I'm going to show you 2 ways. The young people way and the old people way. This is how the young people are supposed to be doing. But people like me, we're going to lay down like that and just stand on your knees and just do the same way push-ups. This is the easy way. I told you from the beginning, it's only for beginners. There it is. If you would like to relax a little bit, you can do this sitting karate. Just sit down and just move your hands back and forth, back and forth. Do some karates. Next exercise, number 12, a leg rise. Leg rise is kind of like with a crunch. So rise both your legs and as closest to your tummy, that you're going to feel all the stress in your belly. This is fat belly exercise. Exercise number 13 is leg twist. As you're sitting down, just start twisting your legs back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Exercise number 14 in jumping jack. Jumping jack, everyone knows how to do that. It's easy, it's really good, it makes you feel good. I usually do this as the last exercise. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Next exercise, number 15, is knee rise. I love this exercise. This makes my legs feel better and also give me a little release on my back. Really good back exercise. Next exercise, number 16, is ski hops. I love skiing and I am really good. I'm not kidding. I should be really good at this. Now it's November, so I can hardly wait another month to start skiing. Ski hops. Next exercise is squats. Squats. If you cannot do them and it's really hard for you to find a wall and just start pushing up and down, up and down. If you can, just do it like this. Exercise number 18 is bicycle crunches. Also, I love this exercise. It's really nice and easy, and it's good. It makes you feel really good. This is for movement, whole body, and also the belly. With this, we're gonna end. And please subscribe and like my channel. I am Sonny Jafari, and we're gonna do some more exercises. I want you to be the first to see them. With this, have a nice day, and thank you for watching my channel. We'll see you again.